Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm getting some old CDs, and then I'm going to glue them together with just simple super glue I got from the 99. 10,000 Maniacs in there. One of Selena's famous albums, Better Than Ezra. 90s band. Just super glue it. Put them together. The super glue dries quickly, so make up your mind what albums you want to glue together. In what fashion and what direction, because it can go any direction. You can make it circular. You can make it in a circle, rectangle, a wave. And then you can glue them by genre. You know, this is some rap right here. We have Wyclef when he went solo. Nas's album, I know If I Rule the World is featured on this one. Bone Thugs and Harmony. So you can go by genre as well, or you can make it as eclectic as you want to. But the whole thing is that what do you do with these obsolete? Because they're becoming obsolete now. You have electronic files. And they're archived on, and we don't need them to take up any space. But this is, these are beautiful histories and beautiful memories, and they end up becoming the poetry in our life. So eventually, just pin them up on your wall. There's tons of possibilities with shapes, sizes, the number, what direction, how to hang. Music is messy. It doesn't have to be presented in a linear, chronological. You can, bounce from era to generation, a genre, etc. And just personalizing and saying, hey, this is part of who I am, And then you can accompany, maybe frame it with lyrics, or maybe paint those lyrics on your wall. But it's your home, it's your life. This isn't a decorative piece that you're gonna find at Ross or Marshall's. It's something that has your idiom, your thumbprint on it. So this becomes a beautiful art piece, and it shares a little narrative of your life and all the personalized decorations you have, all the poetry on your walls, and it's just something fun, something very unique as well.
This is DawnDuskDesigns. Enjoy the tutorial, and thank you for watching.